comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, ching, bling, bling. Cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then your talking don't matter. Ching, ching, bling, bling. Patent pockets. We take the dollar, dollar. Can a damn soul stay?
Good day, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gas chamber for culling your rats, your feeder rats. And you'll need these things in order to do so. Alright. First off, you need yourself a decent Tupperware container, preferably one with a silicone gasket. I picked this up at Walmart for like $4 or $5. Then you're going to need a valve stem. Pick that up at Ace Hardware, nope, Advance Auto. I think I get $2.99 for a 2-pack. Then you're going to need a bicycle pump that takes CO2 cartridges. I picked that up at a local bicycle shop. What I did was I took, and this one has a vent hole in it. If you pick up you can use any Tupperware container really, and if it doesn't have a hole already in it, you're going to need one to push the air out. But I did make a hole for my valve stem. This has a rubber washer on it. I don't know if you can see that. Push it up like that, put the metal washer on, and just tighten it up finger tight. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Just need it to be finger tight. Okay, I'm not going to show you how I do it because I do have respect for my rats and enough not to show it on a live video. It's a little bit different doing a live feeding video, but if I'm culling rats, it's just not right. I don't think so. But I will show you how I do it. I'm going to pretend, just for poops and giggles, that I'm actually doing this. So the rats are inside. Alright. I got my CO2 cartridge loaded up. Alright. I place the pump on the valve stem because it does have a threaded connection. See? It swivels. Alright. With the vent hole uncovered, I give a couple squirts. I cover it up, and then a couple more squirts. That should be enough to get it going. You don't want to go too much because then it can actually be harmful to the rats. You don't want them to suffer. The idea here is a peaceful, humane death. When they start to lay down, and they will, that's when you can gas them. Undo the vent, hold it down, close the vent back. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, and you will have your cold rats. And that is all it takes to make a gas chamber. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I need some subscribers, people. I got 2 giveaways going on right now. One is a 100 subscriber giveaway, and you get one of these beautiful ball pythons behind you. They're normal het pieds, 50% het pieds. And also have the 200 subscriber video, which is either a starter colony of dubia roaches or 75 feeders. So make sure you like and subscribe to my videos. Thanks. Have a good day.